Model number 1. Percentages of percentages. Question number 1. Sen decided to donate 30% of his monthly income to an orphanage. But on the day of donation, he changed his mind and donated rupees 4,200, which is 70% of what he had decided. What should be the actual donation as per his earlier decision? Solution. It is clear that 70% of 30% of income is rupees 4,200. That is 70 multiplied by 30. Whole divided by 100% of unknown equals 4,200 rupees, which is 21% of unknown equals 4,200 rupees. Now we can easily calculate 30% of income just by cross-multiplying. Keep the unknown value one side and solve, which is 6,000 rupees. Guys, I can't solve your life problems, but I can solve this kind of problems. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments.